Pearls are not just jewelry, they represent grace, purity, and soft classy vibe. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing something truly elegant, a collection of handmade white pearl necklace that reflects simplicity, beauty, and timeless charm. This collection is truly unique and beautiful. You can pair these pieces with any type of outfit and they instantly elevate your entire look. These may look just simple pearls, but when they are creatively combined, they turn into so many elegant and stunning designs. Today, you are going to see exactly that, a full collection of graceful styles, each one more refined than the last. As you look through these pieces, you will notice how each design feels different, yet they all share the same elegance that pearls are known for. Some designs are simple and light, giving you that effortless, clean look. Make this necklace special is not just their beauty, but the efforts and creativity behind them. Because handmade pieces always carry a different kind of value. Not just accessories, they are little expression of art and emotion. You can wear them daily for a soft, elegant look or style them for events and occasion to add a touch of grace. Moment. Enjoy these designs and notice the beauty in every small details because sometimes it's the simple thing that make the biggest impact. So tell me, which design do you like the most? I love to know your favorite. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video with more creative collection.